Do you ever wonder why some people can't seem to break free from financial struggles? The truth is, a lot of it comes down to how they spend their money. Poor spending habits keep many people stuck in a cycle of financial hardship. In this video, we're going to highlight 21 common things poor people waste money on. These small but frequent expenses add up over time and can prevent people from reaching their financial goals. If you stick with us until the end, you might just recognize some of these habits in your own life. Let's dive in! 1. Expensive coffee. Many people buy coffee from high-end cafes every day. A few dollars here and there might not seem like much, but over time it adds up. Think about it. $5 a day for coffee means around $150 a month or $1,800 a year. That's money that could have been saved or invested. Brewing coffee at home is a much cheaper alternative. It also allows you to control the quality and flavor to suit your personal taste. Investing in a quality coffee maker can be a one-time expense that saves hundreds over time. Small expenses like this, if adjusted, can significantly boost your savings potential. 2. Impulse shopping. Impulse purchases happen when people buy things on a whim, without planning. Whether it's a sale item online or something spotted in a store, these unplanned buys can drain your wallet. Over time, impulse shopping leads to clutter and wasted money on things that weren't really necessary. Successful people avoid this by planning their purchases and sticking to a list. They think carefully about what they need before spending. This kind of discipline not only helps save money, but also keeps their home organized and free from unnecessary items. Tracking spending habits can help identify where most impulse purchases occur. 3. Brand name clothes. Spending money on designer clothes might seem like a way to show off success, but it's often a waste. Brand name items cost significantly more than generic alternatives, and in many cases, the quality isn't even that different. Poor people often buy brand name clothes to keep up appearances, but wealthy individuals prioritize function and value over logos. Investing in versatile, high-quality basics often delivers more value in the long run. Clothes depreciate quickly in value, especially trendy items, which makes paying a premium for logos less justifiable in the long term. 4. Unused gym memberships. Many people sign up for gym memberships with the best of intentions, but never actually go. Gym memberships can be costly, and if you're not using them, it's just wasted money. There are plenty of free or low-cost ways to stay active, like jogging or home workouts. Evaluating your exercise habits before committing to a membership can help avoid unnecessary expenses. Wealthy individuals carefully evaluate their habits before committing to recurring costs. There are also pay-per-use fitness centers that offer flexibility without the financial burden of monthly fees. 5. Eating out frequently. Eating out at restaurants is convenient, but it's far more expensive than cooking at home. Even fast food costs more than preparing your own meals. Over time, frequent dining out can take a serious toll on your budget. Wealthy people limit how often they eat out and prefer to cook at home. Preparing meals yourself not only saves money, but also encourages healthier eating habits. Cooking at home also provides greater control over portion sizes and ingredients, which can contribute to overall better health and savings on future medical costs. 6. Subscriptions and streaming services. It's easy to sign up for multiple streaming platforms and forget about them. Subscriptions that automatically renew every month can quietly drain your bank account. Many people don't even use all the services they pay for. Wealthy individuals regularly review their subscriptions and cancel the ones they don't need. This small change can free up a surprising amount of money each year. Managing these subscriptions can also bring clarity to what you actually use, allowing you to enjoy the services that matter most. 7. High-interest debt. Credit card debt is one of the biggest financial traps. With high interest rates, paying only the minimum each month keeps people in a cycle of debt for years. The interest piles up, making it nearly impossible to get ahead. Wealthy people avoid high-interest debt at all costs. Managing debt responsibly frees up income that can be directed towards investments and savings. Reducing or eliminating this type of debt early in your financial journey can create space for long-term wealth building. 8. Lottery tickets. Playing the lottery might seem like a fun way to win big, but it's rarely worth the cost. The odds of winning are extremely low, yet many people spend a significant amount of money on tickets each week. Instead of throwing money at the lottery, wealthy individuals focus on building their wealth through consistent investments. The real path to financial security comes from strategic choices, not chance. Lotteries are designed to profit the organizers, not the participants, which is why wealthy individuals choose more predictable forms of wealth accumulation. 9. Luxury electronics. Buying the latest smartphones, laptops, or other gadgets is another way people waste money. Technology becomes outdated quickly, and frequent upgrades aren't necessary. Many people buy new devices even when their current ones work just fine. Wealthy individuals don't chase after the newest gadgets. They focus on maximizing the lifespan of their devices, ensuring they get the most value from every purchase. They also understand that the new factor fades quickly, and satisfaction often lies in making smart financial decisions. 10. Takeout coffee cups. Buying coffee on the go might seem like a small expense, but it can add up over time. Disposable coffee cups cost extra and they aren't reusable. Switching to a reusable cup can save a significant amount of money in the long run. Small habitual changes like bringing your own cup can make a large difference in your monthly budget. The environment also benefits from reduced waste, so this small change can have a broader positive impact. 11. Unnecessary car upgrades. Cars are expensive to buy and maintain, and many people make the mistake of spending even more on unnecessary upgrades. Fancy rims, custom interiors, or frequent car replacements don't add much value but do drain your bank account. Wealthy individuals focus on maintaining their vehicles and making them last as long as possible. They see cars as functional tools, not status symbols. By choosing practical over flashy, they save thousands that can be put towards more valuable assets. 12. Cigarettes and vices. Smoking, drinking, and other vices are not only bad for your health, but they're also bad for your bank account. These habits can cost thousands of dollars each year, with no real return on investment. Wealthy individuals recognize the financial toll of vices and either avoid them or quit altogether. Quitting bad habits can improve both your health and financial standing. Additionally, eliminating these expenses can create room in the budget for savings and healthier lifestyle choices. 13. Unused gadgets and appliances. Many people buy gadgets and appliances they rarely use. Whether it's a fancy blender or a high-end coffee machine, these items often end up collecting dust. They might seem exciting at first, but if you don't use them, they're just wasted money. Wealthy individuals are mindful of their purchases. They know that being selective helps them avoid buying things they don't really need. They focus on buying durable and multifunctional products, which leads to long-term savings. 14. Fancy holidays. Going on lavish vacations when your finances are tight is another way people waste money. Many people put their holidays on credit cards, which leads to debt that takes months or even years to pay off. Wealthy individuals know how to budget for their vacations. They balance their desire for leisure with their financial goals, ensuring that enjoyment doesn't come at the cost of financial stress. They often choose to travel during off-peak seasons or use rewards points to lower expenses. 15. Expensive dining out. Frequenting high-end restaurants is another way people waste money. Fine dining might offer a great experience, but doing it too often can drain your budget. Wealthy individuals enjoy the occasional luxury meal but don't make it a habit. Prioritizing home-cooked meals allows for financial flexibility while saving fine dining experiences for special occasions. It's all about finding balance and ensuring that luxury doesn't come at the cost of future financial goals. 16. Buying new instead of secondhand. Many people prefer to buy new items, even when secondhand options are available at a fraction of the cost. Whether it's clothes, furniture, or electronics, buying new often means paying more for something that will lose value over time. Wealthy individuals recognize the value of secondhand items and aren't afraid to shop at thrift stores or online marketplaces. They see the opportunity in finding quality at a lower price. The money saved on secondhand purchases can be invested or used for other essential expenses. 17. Unplanned grocery shopping. Going to the grocery store without a plan leads to overspending. Many people buy items they don't need or won't use. Without a grocery list, it's easy to fall for marketing tricks and impulse buys. Wealthy individuals plan their meals ahead of time and stick to their shopping lists. Consistency in this habit helps avoid food waste and saves money. Sticking to a plan ensures that only necessary items are purchased, reducing waste and unnecessary spending. 18. Bank fees. Bank fees, such as ATM charges or overdraft fees, are small but add up over time. Many people don't realize how much they're losing to these fees each month. By choosing a no-fee bank account or being more mindful of their spending, wealthy individuals avoid these hidden costs. They understand that minimizing these small fees allows for more efficient use of their funds. Financial success often comes from making smarter decisions about small expenses, and eliminating unnecessary fees can add up to significant savings over time. 19. Gambling is one of the fastest ways to lose money. While it might seem like a chance to win big, the odds are always stacked against you. Many people waste money on casinos, slot machines, or online gambling, hoping for a big payout that rarely comes. Wealthy individuals avoid gambling altogether. They focus on the long game, understanding that financial success is built through strategic decisions. Gambling creates an illusion of quick wealth, but consistent, disciplined investments yield far better returns in the long run. 20. Fast fashion might be cheap, but it doesn't last. Many people buy trendy clothes that fall apart after just a few wears, leading to more spending to replace them. Over time, this cycle costs more than investing in high-quality, durable clothing. Wealthy individuals prefer to buy timeless, well-made pieces that last for years. They understand that paying more for quality is often cheaper in the long term, as it avoids the constant need to replace worn-out items. Building a wardrobe of long-lasting classic pieces also eliminates the need to keep up with ever-changing trends. 21. Unused services. From streaming platforms to gym memberships, people often pay for services they don't use. These small monthly fees might seem harmless, but they add up over time. Wealthy individuals regularly review their expenses and cancel any services they no longer need. This habit helps free up cash for more productive uses, like investing in their future. Taking a moment to audit your monthly subscriptions can reveal hidden costs and help you redirect money toward your financial goals. These 21 habits are examples of how small, seemingly harmless expenses can add up and keep people in financial trouble. By recognizing and eliminating these common mistakes, you can start saving more and invest wisely. Building wealth isn't just about earning more, it's about making smarter decisions with the money you already have. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about which habit you're ready to break. And don't forget to share this video to help others on their financial journey.